Aloha, how's it? Welcome to the part 3. Today's trigger time is cartridge conversion. I've cleaned the 300 Winchester Magnum cases for the headspace gauges and trimmed to 2.51 inch. So I'll proceed from there. For this block of instruction, you need the cases to be nailed. You need a can, small can that will hold, just in case when it tips over, and also something so you could turn to. And then you have you need cold water, and of course you need a propane tank with the attachment. And make sure that the flame is pointing toward the neck, and I'll be pointing toward the shoulder because this is going to be opened up straight up. And make sure that the gas, you have at least a 1 inch flame before you do it. Also, you need a lighter too. So in order to anneal the case, go ahead, place it near the flame and turn it. And then when it turns to the dull red, right there, as you can see, turning, hold it for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and then get into the water. You have to do this because if you don't dunk it in the water, then the breast gets very soft. You don't want that. One thing that you need to pay attention is to turn so that the flame gets evenly distributed to the case. 1, 2, 3. I don't have too many to do because I only have a little more than a dozen or so. And you anneal the case before the opening up, and then also when you have formed it. Alright, now I have to dry these cases, and then in the hot weather, I'll take the cases out to the car and then let it dry in there when it's very hot. However, in the cold months, this is what I do. I'll put them in the pan, and then I'll slow saute it at a low heat for about 2 hours. It will be warm and toasty and dry. Now that the case is nice and dry, we are going to prime it, and then make sure that you have safety glasses on, and also cover just in case the primer goes off. And do not worry too much about the discoloration of the case. If you use Let Me Shine and the Dawn, it will come off. It comes off easily. Next step is charging gunpowder. Well, according to the hand loading manual, it says use quick burning gunpowder, 10 to 14 grams of quick burning, but this is what I got, and the unique is not a quick, but I'm going to use about 14. Oh, this is going to be hard. I'm doing this in front of the camera. Man, that's close enough for government work. All right, here we go. Gunpowder. And then instruction says I have to fill it up to the neck with cream of wheat. Then plug it with the cotton ball. So let's see how much it takes. I think it's going to take a whole bunch. I'm looking, and you can see it, but it's right there. I gotta put more. Ooh. Okay. Now you can see it right there. This is one. So I'm cutting off that much. Yeah, that worked. Huh. Yes, it did. Yes, indeedy. That's it. Well, now I gotta do the rest of them. Here is the some of my masterpiece with 14 grains of unique. Rest them filled with the cream of wheat, and then plug it with the cotton ball. Rifle primers, and then I'm going to also try the pistol primers. So here is the pistol primer, and that's the rifle primer. So I know which one it is. All right, let's go to range. With some of the cases, and 2 of them. Okay. So we'll see. All right, here we goes. Oh, okay. Voila. Again. Instant 458 Winchester Magnum. This is 1.51 right there. I found out that the it shrinks about one very nicely. 100 to I forgot to bring my vernier caliper to measure. There we go. So these cases are 2.51 inches. That's not a confetti, that's cotton. It was trimmed to 2.51. Another one. $14 grains of unique, and this one was a pistol primer and still worked. You don't need no rifle primer. There's another one, pistol primer. White one is a pistol primer. The tan one is Winchester rifle primer. It opened up real nice. Very nice. Stay tuned for the continuation of the part 3. Aloha.